Well, today is a little bit of a different day. Team Red Neb is working with WRNS to, I guess, be a matchmaker service. We are going fishing today out of Lawson Creek Park here in New Bern. We've got a blind date gonna be happening on the Driftwood Charters boat. We're heading out to do some striper fishing and possibly a couple drum. Stay tuned, this ought to be interesting and just a smidgen awkward. All right, Scott, now we're gonna label you the matchmaker.
Not me.
Come on now.
I'll find the fish.
Captain.
You can be the matchmaker.
We're gonna make it happen. Go ahead and tell us who you.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm the one seeking out the dates.
Oh yeah, and this is the first date, right?
Yep.
I'm number one.
Number one.
First one.
You picked the right one.
I feel lucky.
We're gonna. Hopefully we get on fish, and if you get on fish, you are lucky.
Yeah.
Yes.
But if we get top water, I feel like it's a match made in heaven.
There you go.
All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get them on some fish here.
Megan's hooked up.
Yeah.
She's on her date. You got a net or? Oh!
It came on.
Right there.
Go.
Wow.
All right, now let's see if she throw it out for us.
So, Adam, does that count? Actually, that.
All right.
You want me to like really?
I say give it to her.
Give it to her.
Yeah.
Why not?
All right, he's being a nice guy now. He said he was going to let that one count,
Oh, it
so that was
counts?
one.
All right.
He's making that count. All right.
Lift it up. And you're gonna put your finger.
Right there.
We're gonna toss it. Just do an easy one. Don't hook your date.
Yeah.
Not that way.
That's the only night I've ever had.
All right.
Let it go out.
That's perfect. That's impressive. Hey, she can cast, man.
I saw that.
Did you see she could cast?
It didn't make mine look like Fido's butt.
She can cast. I tell you, you better work hard, boy. Now that's what I'm talking about. What in the world you got?
I don't know, but he was pretty.
Working on it.
All right. There you go. Got some drag. Turn to the left up there, Scott, if you can. I'll get this net. I can get it. Oh, yeah. You ain't never had a date this good, have you?
I'll take it as a compliment.
There you go.
That's a big fish.
Good night. That's a nice one, boy. I hear you.
Nice job, man.
We're trying to keep us off that bank, so that's the reason you have to fight against us a little bit. Just keep the tension on the rod just like you're doing. You got
That's
it?
a big one.
Yeah, that's a horse. Good night, boy.
That is a monster striker.
Yeah, we want to get that one in.
He's 30 inches.
Yeah.
28, 30 inches. That's big for around here.
All right, Scott. Golly, boy. Look at that. I hear you. Reel it in some more. Reel it in some more. Reel it in. Reel it in. I don't tell you, a fish like that deserves a second date. I don't tell you.
Oh my gracious! What a
Look at that beast, baby. Oh yeah.
I think it's huge.
You want one?
Good night. That is.
Here we go. Man, that is awesome.
nice striper there.
That's one to be proud of.
Release it.
Hold him up. Just hold him over there.
Right there.
We're gonna his tail. He's gonna let us. All right, I got it. Just let him sit there for just a second. You don't want. You
don't wanna let it go.
You got some of that Procure on your thumb. I told you it worked. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about.
He hit that thing hard too.
Great, did.
Keep the rod up a little bit. Keep the rod tip up, and that'll keep the tension on the fish.
Megan is hooked up.
Good gracious.
All by herself.
Didn't
got a
help
net?
her at all.
You got a net, Barry?
Yeah, I got you.
Hold on, son. Good job. Doing a great
Hold it
job.
right out.
You good?
There we go.
Good job.
There you go.
Nice fish, Megan.
Thank you. That's a decent size too.
Oh yeah.
Yes, it is.
That is awesome. All right, now the question is, do you want to hold it?
Yeah, we'll give it a whirl.
All right. Perfect.
Nice.
All right.
Thank you.
I want him to shake on you because
Adam just missed a fish. He's right back at it again.
wait a second. That wasn't enough congratulations. Come on.
This is a competition.
He's like, this is a competition here. It's 2-1. He's behind. He's got to catch up.
She's a pro.
At it again.
Hurry.
She's
hurry,
got it. Yep,
hurry.
she's yeah.
Yeah.
Nice striper.
Nice. Problem is, every one of them gonna feel kind of small now, ain't they?
Yeah, compared to what he caught.
All right.
Nice job.
There's another one. That's actually a good sized fish too, though.
No, I'm gonna continue fishing. Okay?
Yeah,
Competition.
she's like,
Measure it and we'll.
yeah, it's not as big as the last one I caught, but nice fish. It's a striper though.
Not worth looking at. I'm telling you, this girl likes competition.
Oh yeah.
She likes to win.
That's good.
You hit it?
Yes.
Oh,
She just got hit.
There we go.
there he is! Oh yeah! That's what
catching up there.
that's what I'm talking about.
Nice job, Megan.
Yeah! Keep that rod tip nice and high. There you go.
Good gravy.
That's a nice one.
Holy smokers.
There we go. Another nice fish.
Nice job. Oh, that's a big fat.
That was a big old one.
Nice job.
You might not have a chance. Good Lord.
Again.
You're kidding.
Uh-oh, you better hurry up and get that fish in the water. Just let him hold his tail. Hold his tail,
Right
right around his tail. Yeah. And then let him turn. And he'll swim.
Take your finger out there.
There you go. Hold his tail. There. Hey! He told you something.
He's like, oh, screw.
Nice work. Nice work.
Thank you.
Love it. Love it.
All right, get out of the way.
All right. This is intense. It's an intense battle. Dip it down. Dip it way down. There you go. Look at this. Uh-oh. Oh, now he wants to go the other way. Better give Megan that rod. She's gonna be mad.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a horse. There we go. Another nice one. There we go. I hear you. Yes. Nice work. Man, you ain't messing around.
Thank y'all very much.
You're welcome, buddy. We are very happy.
We didn't
Look at her right there. She's casting back here.
We didn't measure, but that's okay.
We didn't measure.
But hey, she held that thing and let it go and all that. Nice work. He said he's quite heavy. Yes, sir. Now that's what I like to hear.
Yeah, that's nice.
He's quite heavy. Get that thing out of there, Megan. Now I don't know. I don't know if Adam's found a hole back here and he ain't telling you about.
Yeah, I'm about to make a quick spot.
I'll tell you, I'm not sure. Oh, good.
He's about 25,
Yeah.
26.
Oh, you good. Work that thing.
Throw it kind of straight in.
Holy cow, dude. Man. Great day.
Goodness.
All right, Scott, we're gonna have to drop them off. I think they've allowed, we got their allotted amount of fish.
I was gonna say we allotted our time.
You're done. Golly.
Last serious relationship.
Oh, we're getting good
Oh,
now.
yeah, we gotta get the
Hold on.
camera out.
We gotta get the camera out now. All right, now
Taking out the big guns
now.
now.
What time did we catch that big fish?
Here we go.
Oh, it must have been, let's see, 6 years ago. It scared me to death. I just took off running.
I'm curious why I got scared.
Yeah, why'd you get scared?
Scott's helping up here.
Well, I'm kind of curious too.
All right. Dun, dun, dun.
She didn't like fishing.
girly girl?
Yeah.
Well, you can still be a girly girl and enjoy fishing and stuff like that.
Got to have the water in your life.
I'm thinking keeper right here, Adam.
Big boy.
That's a big fish.
Yep. We might be able to see your drum.
Holy
Oh!
crud!
I think this will put her up 4-3.
This one might count for 2.
What do you think?
Oh man, look at that
It's a
thing.
big one.
You got the net?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is it a drum?
Nice
or
job.
Is it a striper?
It's a striper.
Another nice one.
Good job.
Good gracious.
Nice.
Beautiful.
That one's a good sized one too.
All right, we're going.
Can you get
Look at
that?
there. That's awesome. This is the last cast.
All right, so we're getting ready to do the last
If you got your questions or whatever it is, give me the finale.
Good gravy. Put me on the spot, thank you.
That's what we were planning on doing all day.
Oh.
So first of all, have you enjoyed
Yes, I've had
this
a very
day?
good day.
Okay. All right.
All right, hit Adam up.
All right, Adam.
10.
A 10. Great day. Okay.
All right. Well, I guess it's I guess stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned for more.
Stay tuned. I want an update. I want a personal update.
Yeah, we want to know.
We got to know how it goes.
Barry needs to know if he needs to go into matchmaking.
Matchmaking or
Yeah, I need to know. And I am a good dancer, so if there is a wedding,
You'll be on that list.
There you
there
go.
you go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we're out of here.
We're out.
There's a good question for him. That would be one top 3.
Yeah.
Is he planning on buying a boat?
Yeah, do you plan on getting a boat now?
Oh, I got one.
Oh.
A boat!
Oh! Nice.
Ding!
Nice.
What boat is it?
Oh, we're getting serious.
It's sitting on a boat lift in Adams Creek right now.
No crap, no.
I hear second date in the future.
Maybe
You go
so.
do your 10 dates, see how they work. If you want a number 2, I'll take you fishing again.
Yeah, we'll do the second date update thing, but a little different.
Oh, I hear you.
Then we had our first date. We kept in contact. We went on a second date.
My man just landed his chance by owning a boat, guys.
I see it.
There you go. You've got the answer now. It was questionable, but he's got a boat.